In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Meet video call. Of course, if this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open google.com. Then you're going to click on this 9 little dots that you're going to see right here, right next to your picture. And then you're going to select Meet. So this is the first page that we're going to see. Here you're going to have 2 different options. You can start a new meeting or you can enter a code or a link to join an existing one. So since we're creating a new meeting, go ahead and click right here on this blue icon. And here you're going to have 3 different options. You can create a meeting for later. You can start a meeting right now, or you can schedule one in your Google Calendar. So the first option is simply going to give you a link that you can share with people. All you have to do is to click right here to copy the link, and then you can send it to your friends or to your work partners, whoever it is that you want to join this meeting. You would go ahead and paste it to their chat or to their email, and that way they can join this meeting. Your second option is going to be to start a meeting right now. As you can see, this will load a meeting immediately, and then you can also copy the link to the meeting right here. This message will automatically appear, by the way. You will also have the option to add other people. You can enter, let's say, someone's email, and then you can send the email to invite them. And then your last option is to schedule a Google Calendar meeting. To add it to Google Calendar, you are going to have to add more information to your meeting. So for example, a title. Right under your title is where you can select the time of the meeting, also the date, and you can also select if this meeting repeats every day, every week, every month, whatever it is that you need to add, or if it does not repeat. You can also ask Google to send you a notification 30 minutes before your meeting, or maybe an hour, a day. It's up to you. You can make it your own. And if you want to add a description to your meeting, you can do that right here. If you want to add any guests to your meeting, you can do that right here on the right. And remember that every single person that has a Gmail account that you add will receive a notification on their Gmail account and also on their Google Calendar. Once you're done setting up your meeting, simply click on Save. If you want Google Calendar to send an invitation to your guest, go ahead and click on Send. And as you can see, this meeting was just added to my Google Calendar. And that's it. I hope this video helped.